Hi, I'm Randy Partington, corporate chef for Jimmy P's Chard. Since 1985, Jimmy P's family-owned custom butcher shop and restaurant group has specialized in Australian and Japanese Wagyu beef, heritage Berkshire pork, lamb, veal, and exotic game meats. The holidays are here, and we have much more to offer, so hopefully you have the time to stop in and check us out in person. If you don't have the time to do so, we're also really proud of our online ordering process for almost any item here in the butcher shop. Find the item you want, you can read the description of it, add it to your cart, check out, gets delivered right to your front door. This holiday season, order one of our holiday specials or have us fully cater your event. Christmas holiday specials and catering pickup menus are available at jimmypsteaks.com. This year we put together multiple gift packages for all types of occasions, ranging from a simple stocking stuffer to the ultimate gift package. The last day to order our holiday specials in store is December 22nd and online by December 19th. The chef and butchers in our locations utilize all the tools and products they need to make the perfect dishes. We believe in these products so much, we started selling them in our butcher shop locations. In front of me, I have one of our sous vides. I'm going to walk you through the process of prepping and cooking a filet tenderloin platter, one of the highest selling holiday platters here at Jimmy P's. On a smaller scale, I'm going to do a Chateaubriand center cuff filet, as well as a Wagyu Ribeye from one of our holiday packages. So for the cryovacuuming, we have two different products that you can use. This is a chamber sealer, which we have a bigger version of this in the back. This is also another one that you can use, and this is just a vacuum sealer. Once this gets up to the temperature, it's going to go ahead and start doing the countdown for an hour and a half and start the cooking process. So we can put this in right now. Now that time has lapsed, we are good to go. All we're going to do is simply cut it out of the package and give it a quick sear on both sides for about 30 seconds. And here we have the finished product. Whole tenderloin platter. It's about 4 pounds, feeds about 10 guests. Then we had our Wagyu Ribeye. This is my preferred cuts on how we do it, mid-rare. Just want to say happy holidays from the Jimmy P's family. Don't forget to check us out at jimmypsteaks.com as well as our other social media pages.